everybody's Angie Potts, and welcome to the second episode of the Living a Single Life show, where we break down the good, fun, and challenging sides of getting older. Let's get started. Today's episode is all about reverse mortgages. Let's flip the script on the home sweet home. Hey, homeowners, have you heard of a reverse mortgage? It's like a roller coaster ride for your home, with twists, turns, and the chance to unlock some extra cash. Today we're going to dive into the world of reverse mortgages, uncovering the pros and the cons in a way that'll leave you amused and informed. So fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. Let's talk about the pros of reverse mortgages first. It's cash flow. Ching ching. With a reverse mortgage, you can tap into the equity you built up in your home and receive a steady stream of cash flow. It's like having a secret treasure chest buried right in your living room. Whether you need the money for home repairs, healthcare, expenses, or to finally take that dream vacation, a reverse mortgage can provide the financial boost you're looking for. 2, no monthly payments. Say goodbye to those pesky monthly mortgage payments. With a reverse mortgage, you can live mortgage payment free and have more financial freedom to enjoy your golden years. It's like having a never-ending holiday from writing those checks to your mortgage lender. Now you can use that money for things that truly matter, like spoiling your grandkids with gifts. Hey, third, stay put and enjoy. You can stay in your beloved home while still reaping the benefits of a reverse mortgage. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Or should we say, having your house and living in it too. You don't have to uproot your life or downsize to a smaller place. Stay in the home filled with cherished memories where you can grow, where you build a lifetime of memories, happiness. Your reverse mortgage gives you the flexibility to enjoy your familiar surroundings while unlocking the value of your home. Now let's look at the cons of reverse mortgage. First, loan repayment. Surprise, surprise. Keep in mind that reverse mortgage isn't a free lunch. Eventually the loan will need to be repaid, typically when you sell the house or move out. The loan balance will include the cash you receive, interest, and fees. So it's essential to consider the long-term implications and how. Secondly, equity erosion. Since you're tapping into the equity in your home now, your family may end up with a smaller inheritance. They might give you a few side-eye glances when they realize the money you enjoy today will be less for them tomorrow. It's a reverse Robin Hood effect. While it's your right to enjoy your hard-earned money, it's important to have open discussions with your loved ones about your decision to pursue a reverse mortgage. 3, home sweet loan fees. Yes, they come, all loans have fees. Reverse mortgages come with their fair share of fees, including closing costs and mortgage insurance premiums. These fees can vary, so make sure you understand all the associated costs before taking the plunge. It's like buying a ticket to a wild ride you're about to take on your home ownership adventure. So there. If you have it, so there you have it. Reverse mortgages can be a fantastic financial tool to unlock extra cash flow and live more comfortably. But like any roller coaster, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before taking the plunge. Make sure you understand the terms, the potential impact on your family, and the associated fees. Remember, this video was lighthearted, but reverse mortgages are a serious financial decision. If you're interested in pursuing a reverse mortgage, consult a licensed lender. Take care. Until next time.